Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson V7 is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button to detach the battery from the main body. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the battery while pressing the button. Once removed, set the old battery aside. Now take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors on the vacuum. Slide it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely attached. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. With the new battery in place, it's time to secure the vacuum. Use your T15 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the unit. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover to access the internal components. This is a good opportunity to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior, ensuring that no dirt interferes with the vacuum's performance. After cleaning, replace the cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure each screw is tightened properly to avoid any loose parts during operation. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Now it's time to test your Dyson V7. Plug it in and turn it on. If everything is functioning correctly, you should notice an immediate improvement in suction power. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, ensure that all tools are put away and that your workspace is clean. Regular maintenance, including battery replacement, will keep your Dyson V7 running smoothly for years to come. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.